Getting a windshield replacement isn't exactly everyone's idea of a good time. Unless you're that guy.
Yeah!
That's why at Windshield Surgeons, we're all about quality, safety, and ensuring that you need to spend as little time in our shops as possible. Take this little chip, for example. By stopping in at one of our shops for a quick repair, you can save yourself from having to come in for a bigger fix down the road. But hey, when the damage is beyond repair, don't sweat it. Our expert technicians are always here to help, with the shortest wait times in the industry. Now these days, a replacement means nothing unless your safety systems are properly recalibrated. And at our shops, we make things easy by providing both services for you in one simple appointment. Needing to book a replacement isn't anyone's favorite thing to do, unless you're that guy.
Yeah!
Which is why our skilled technicians are all about working efficiently, so you can get on with your day. Replacement, recalibration, or repair. Whatever your auto glass needs might be, we can help.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Sorry, bud. It's time to go home. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.